Katanat puli puthi ka Sarkar Meghalaya kalaya soy ka jingete bat ka National Stock Exchange NSC ban ai ka Hikai ki Samla puli hak kam bank insurance bat kiwe. Kibala sakhi lang hakani ka jinga soy kilong umentri rangba ka Sarkar u konrat ki sangma umentri katanat puli puthi u rakkam e sangma u chief secretary ba Donald P wa lang bat ki he jong ka NSC. Umentri rangba ulaong bakajingtep bat kajing sngoto shapangki kam Pisa Pilaiñ bat kisap kidei ki badan kam ya kinong sengkam bat ki Samla kani ka jela ki baduna ba ha kani ka benta. Ulaong ba lingba kajing soy bat ka NSC kan ai kajing hikai ka bapakai ki Samla makin shemi kanu karai halor ka kam Pisa tingka bakin kya nagijingmi ki ban kta ka platingka bat banierap bakin shemi karai ka badei hakikam ki chongki.
We are doing level 2. Once they finish level 2, they'll actually become really aware of how to do things. Many of them may become entrepreneurs. They may become brokers or independent financial advisors or mutual fund distributors. I mean, there are many careers that can actually be pursued. And they can do things on their own. They don't need to join an organization necessarily. Although that will also be highly possible, easily possible, because the industry needs new people. And those who are aware of how things work. So we think by building awareness, we will be able to make a difference in many states of the country. Particularly, we wanted to make a beginning in the northeast, and we chose Meghalaya as one of the first places to begin. And we will, Ashish Ji, our MD and CEO, is closely associated with the IIM here.